Hello everybody, it's Dustin with Foothills Adventures. I'm standing in a creek. I got a chainsaw. And that's my driveway back there. Apparently, a tree has worked itself through my culvert after Hurricane Helene. So, yeah, I guess I gotta cut this inside of a giant metal pipe. And you get to watch. Weapon of choice today, steel MS-251. Um, I, I don't know. Dad swears by them. Steel runs good for me. Um, I guess I'm just going to work my way down because that's really the only way I know about doing this. I still don't know how this thing. How does a tree get no? Anyway, water done it. Here we go. Well, got my saw out. Went and got the four-wheeler winch, lifted it up just enough. God, I'm a dummy. I'm horrible at this. You know, there's something to be said about having and hiring professionals to do your work. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Well, that's good enough for government work, so I'm going to call it a day. I know it's like 10 minutes worth of work, right? But the big tree's out. So, still MS251. It's great saw. I was running super old gas in it. Don't tell Steel. Full wheelers always CF Moto C4600 touring. Always great. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time.